Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while, but let's cook this delicious stew oxtail. Okay guys, so I am here trying to get this skin, the fat from off of it, because you know you have to remove that fat. But I'm telling you, it was super difficult to get it off. I didn't know that it was so difficult to get the fat from around this. But this is how it is looking when I did get it off. So these are all of them. You know you have to wash your meat with some lime and vinegar. So for seasoning, I'm using some salt, some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, some oxtail seasoning. I'm going to pour everything, all of the seasoning on it. Then I also had some pimento seeds or pimento berries and some browning. This will help to give it the nice brown color, right? To help it looking stewy and nice. I also chopped up some onions, some scallion and some onions, some garlic and some sweet pepper and some hot pepper as well. Yes, and then I have this thyme, so I am picking off each of the leaves from off of the plant because I didn't want to chop it up and just put it in there just like that, so I did this instead. Okay, so now I'm going to rub up everything and ensure that it is nicely seasoned. Why not? Yes. And then I'm going to allow it to marinate for 2 hours. You can allow it to marinate for an hour or even overnight. So after the 2 hours, you know, add some oil in the pot. I put some brown sugar in there to help with the shiny glade look on the oxtails. And then now I'm just adding them into the pot to get that nice brown color.
That brown.
Okay, so this is the golden color that I am telling you about. So look at that, just like that. Just all the nice shiny glaze that's on it. That is what the sugar does. Give it that nice shiny glaze. Yes, so I'm just going to allow it to pot cook on the other side as well, just like this. After that, I am going to add some water to it. You know that oxtail takes a good time to cook. It takes about like an hour, sometimes it takes 2 hours. It took me 2 hours to cook this actually. So I am going to add the water and allow it to cook on medium-low heat for the 2 hours. So after the 2 hours, this is how they're looking. So they're actually tender and, you know, ready to eat. But I'm going to add some ketchup to it, and you know it is oxtails and beans, so I'm going to add this broad bean to it as well and allow it to cook down for another 5 minutes. So that so that everything can melt together and just look nice and delicious. Yes, so this is it when it was finished. Some delicious oxtail and beans. Oh my god, you know it's been a while since I ate oxtails, so I was so excited when I see how good it came out and how delicious it tasted. Oh my god. So I have some serving it with some rice and peas, you know, and I add some cucumbers, so I put that on it. And I also made some macaroni and cheese and place it on it as well. And this was actually my Mother's Day dinner that I made, and I really enjoyed it. I actually treated myself this day. So bye guys.
Bye guys.